a lot of fence companies won't even talk about it. On this beautiful Friday, we're going to talk about several things. One of them is the importance of you contractors who are doing large HOA projects. I mean, it's incredible how many associations that are out there and new projects, new condos that are going up. And when they go up, you've got to put up fences. And usually a lot of these units are small, so you've got gates, you've got pickets and panels and posts, hundreds of them. It's a very budget-oriented thing. Most of the money goes into the condo building itself, and then the outside becomes an ancillary thing, and they have to do it, whether that's part of the bylaw for the county or whatever it might have to be. Some of those fences just have to be there. So now it becomes a matter of cost. Well, if you can come in and give them a fence that's going to last 25 years, suddenly your proposal becomes a little more interesting to these associations. How can you do that? Well, your materials are the same. In this particular project, they used 4x4, so 3.5 by 3.5, so material costs are nominal, but they were able to do that because they used RotGuard. And with RotGuard, they've now given that post an expected lifespan of at least 25 years. That's phenomenal in the world of 4x4s, where in today's treatment, you're lucky to get, 7 years out of them. So great solution, US made, and an opportunity for you to say, hey, my bid is going to come in just a little bit more, because these aren't expensive items you're putting on. It's not expensive in time as well, because the labor costs are pretty good. It's pretty cold in this environment, so to be fair, these posts be nice to be done in a warmer spot, or at least, as this contractor did, put the RotGuard in the truck and kept them warm. So when he went out to put them on, they were able to put them on while they're warm. If you don't have that opportunity, then you can use something like a Super 77 3M spray, which will help you adhere the product to the membrane. But ultimately, you want it at least room temperature if you can. So those are some of the highlights, really, of being able to use it. The nice thing later, if they're going to be weed whacking, then you can add the fence armor post guards after the fact. In this particular case, they're going to put the posts in with the RotGuard and then put in the fence armor post guards right after they're done, to give them that 25-year warranty. Installing the RotGuard is also a breeze. Don't need any special tools. In fact, we include a squeegee made in Minnesota, so it's real simple. You start peeling back the backer, get it onto the wood, make sure your top part of the RotGuard is about 2.5, 3 inches above the ground line, so you want to make sure that that's respected. And then you just start to unwrap the backer, peel it around, come all the way back, and make sure you take out all the air bubbles, press it in, and now you've got a sealed product with a membrane that is cold bonded, so it continues to want to embed itself into the wood. So that bitumen, rubberized bitumen, is actually SBS process, I believe, that effectively keeps the membrane true to the post, but the rubberized bitumen is being sucked into the fibers of the wood, so it stays there locked intact. So it's a really interesting process, and used in the building industry for years, so you can trust the product that we have. Big shout out to Big Decks and all cool stuff. Thank you, Tom. It was a great project, and we're happy to be a part of it. So hopefully you guys will take that in consideration. The RotGuard is a great tool to help prevent wood rot, and a lot of fence companies won't even talk about it. Now, they can always say no, but at least you've given them a heads up on a couple of things. One is you're going to prevent that post from rotting as it normally would, as quickly as it would, and you're going to be able to mitigate what the landscapers are going to do every week as they come in with their landscape trimmers and just try to destroy those posts as best they can. I'm kidding a little bit, but the reality is Their job is to trim the grass, and if that post is in the way, well, that post is in the way. So if you've got the fence armor post guard around it, you've also helped the future maintenance and the look of that property to stay with a beautiful curb appeal because they're not being destroyed. And we're looking forward to going back in the spring and seeing the result of the entire project, which will be somewhere around 500 posts in the ground. Look forward to working with more of you contractors, more of you HOAs, anytime you're putting in a fence or projects like mailbox posts or sign posts or gazebos, anything like that that requires a wood post going in the ground. Think about Fence Armor RotGuard. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you'll like and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you next Friday. Big dicks and oh my God.